Content distribution networks. Content is any publicly accessible combination of text, images, MP3, video, etc. Content distribution network, CDN, deliver content such as images, video, HTML files, and JavaScript from a network of distributed systems to end users. Facebook, Netflix, and YouTube uses content delivery networks to serve the billions of users who requests data from their servers. Content distribution network, CDN, is a collection of resource services, proxy servers, and data centers that are deployed. Content provider is any individual, organization, or company that has content that it wishes to make available to users. Examples of CDN service providers are Akamai, Cloudflare, Azure CDN, Amazon CloudFront, Verizon, and Level 3 Communications. The content is distributed among many data hosts, not centralized in one location. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides site users with faster content load times. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides reduced bandwidth consumption. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides reduced latency. Latency is delay between the time data is requested from a system and when the system actually starts sending it in response. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides better response to spikes or surges in traffic. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides outsourced infrastructure support. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides enhanced security. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides greater user satisfaction. Content Distribution Network, CDN, improved content delivery. Content Distribution Network, CDN, provides speed in e-commerce. The prevailing setup of Content Distribution Network, CDN, is aligned to client-server distribution. Client-to-client or peer-to-peer, P2P, networks. The most widely recognized peer-to-peer, P2P, content distribution network, CDN, is BitTorrent. Peer-to-peer, P2P, threats in content distribution network, CDN, are DOS attacks, poisoning of the network, privacy and identity, fairness in sharing.